Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to clean and organize my fridge and also share a grocery haul. I've got a grocery haul, and of course Lily came into the kitchen and started eating as I started filming, so if you hear background noise, please ignore it. It is just Lily. But this haul is a little bit larger than the last couple that I have shared. It had been like close to 2 weeks since I had done a pickup. So, and I also made this order while I was hungry. I'm at that point in my pregnancy where I think I'm always hungry. So I did order some snacky foods that I don't always purchase. But I got some goldfish, some Cajun trail mix, some Chex Mix, and some sour cheddar and sour cream chips. These are like my two favorite things when I'm cooking. I use a lot of onion powder and garlic powder. We are having tacos tonight. I have to have lemon in my water. I got sliced cheese and smoked turkey breast for wraps and sandwiches, and then Fiesta blend cheese for tacos. This is Ethan's favorite coffee creamer. I was almost out of cream cheese spread and the roasted garlic hummus that I have been dipping cucumbers into. I got 2 bags of the cheese ravioli. This is like the easiest dinner that I make. I like to always have those in the freezer. I have made them on the stove, or I like to just dump them into the crock pot with pasta sauce and seasonings. Sometimes I do meatballs and just put it all in there and cook it on low all day. I got some chicken nuggets, the little sausage and biscuits that I've been craving since I've been pregnant, cucumbers. This is my favorite sauce. It tastes just like Chick-fil-A sauce. I got these chips for taco night. My favorite chips are the hint of lime chips, but they've been sold out like the last 2 times I've tried to order them. So I thought I would try these because they're thin and crispy, and those are like my favorite chips when we go out to a restaurant. Like, I love when they're really thin and crispy. Paper towels and peanut butter. I've also been buying 2 loaves of bread at a time. Some mornings I don't want the little sausage and biscuits, so I've been making like egg and cheese sandwiches. Like making an egg and putting some cheese on it, and I'll probably put like a slice of turkey and the everything but the bagel seasoning, and making a little breakfast sandwich. I've also been craving peanut butter and jelly, so we've just been going through a lot of bread. Sandwiches are not something that I crave or eat a lot of when I'm not pregnant, but I have been eating them more. So Ethan and I are both eating sandwiches, so I get 2 loaves. This is something else that has always been sold out on the Walmart app recently. Like, the name brand shells and cheese have been sold out. This one's been sold out, so I'm surprised I got these this time. Cream of chicken and cream of mushroom, green beans. This is all just stuff. And the roasted garlic mashed potatoes. All of this is just quick, easy dinner. Like, if we have chicken or pork chops in the freezer, I will make like shells and cheese and green beans, or the roasted garlic mashed potatoes and green beans, something like that to go with the meat that we're having. And then I use the cream of chicken and cream of mushrooms in different stuff that I make in the crock pot. Cheese dip for tacos. I always keep taco seasoning and ranch seasoning in my spice cabinet. This is the sauce that I've been getting for like spaghetti, ravioli, all that good stuff. And another pregnancy craving. I had Fruity Pebbles for breakfast and lunch yesterday. And sometimes I eat it like at night. And Ethan was like, it's so funny to see you like fix a bowl of cereal at night because you never eat cereal. Like, he loves cereal and I like it too, but when I'm not pregnant, like, I can't tell you the last time I had a bowl of cereal. I just never want for it. And recently I have wanted cereal, like going through a box a week. And this week it's Fruity Pebbles. The last couple of weeks it was the Special K vanilla almond. So yeah, I've been craving cereal, cucumbers and hummus, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, stuff like that when I want like a snack or a quick lunch. You done eating? Yeah. So that is my grocery haul for this week. We were out of quite a few things, so this one was a little bit larger since I didn't do a pickup last week. So I think I'm gonna set my camera up and put all of this away.
clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I missed you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones that healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up, and I should have treated you much better, so much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you.
So, slight change of plans. I think I'm going to push my weekly cleaning routine until tomorrow. And since I'm kind of like putting groceries away and getting food organized, I'm going to clean and organize my fridge. It probably does not look dirty to you, but I haven't like really cleaned it in a while. So I'm gonna move some things around, take some parts out, and get everything really clean, and then reorganize everything as I put it back in. I am also going to take some of my pantry bins out and kind of reorganize those. It's been a while since I've focused on organizing all of our food, so I'm gonna do that as I'm putting groceries away. I mentioned to y'all that I do like to kind of do things as I go. When I notice they're messy or dirty or out of place, I'll usually fix them right then. So a couple of these drawers I did take out and clean them last week, but I'm just going to go ahead and finish what I started and get everything cleaned and organized before I put the new food in there.
Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. People are talking me down, beautiful woman. You try to tell me what's right, the road gets longer. You turn all grey into white. Oh, and all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, there's empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. Beautiful woman, sometimes we simply fall out. Beautiful woman, beautiful woman, tied to your love in a doubt. Beautiful woman, and all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, there's empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. And all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, there's empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. Just the way you are, beautiful, beautiful woman. You're a beautiful woman.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come. I've seen it all upon the silver screen, the happy faces and a sign upon a hill. The wine is flowing and the fields forever green, and all your hopes and dreams will always be fulfilled. So I'll be coming real soon. Yeah, I'll be coming real soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come.
I hope that you all enjoyed today's video and that it motivated you to get your fridge and or pantry cleaned and organized this weekend and stocked up with some food for the coming week. I hope you all have had a great week. Leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all my new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I shared my Easter home tour on Wednesday, so make sure you go check it out, and have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.